Hey everyone, this is Amrita. Welcome back to my channel. As a couple, we always dreamt of traveling. As a part of living our dreams, here we are in Thailand, land of smiles. Spending 10 best days of our life, we covered Bangkok, Krabi, Phi Phi and Phuket by experiencing breathtaking skywalk, feeding tiger cub, gorgeous pristine beaches, long tail boat rides, shopping in the largest markets, delicious Thai cuisine, snorkeling, relaxing Thai massages and many more. The only way to hold this awesome time spent is just by capturing it. So we tried to record everything possible. Enjoy watching our Thailand travel series by subscribing to my channel and click on the bell icon to get notified every time I upload a video. Hello from Krabi. We reached our hotel and this is our room. From airport we can find buses to Krabi and the best part is they drop you at your hotel. Other than bus, cabs are also available but little pricey. This is a decent room and from this window I can see food. Let's go and grab some. And here is a quick recipe for roti with Nutella and banana.
Take dough and roll it. Add some butter to the pan. Then put the chapatis. Add banana slices. Fold it. That's it. Flip the other side and toast it. Apply some Nutella on it. Cut. That's it. My favorite banana Nutella rotis are ready.
Good morning. Now we are in Pranang Caves. Today we are doing the 4-island tour which we have booked through Klook again. So they are picked from our hotel. So all the details I'll give in the description box. So today we'll be covering Pranang Caves, Chicken Island, Tub Island and Poda Beach. This is also known as Railay Beach. Actually this place is overcrowded. Now we have 40 minutes, so let us go and see around. This cave is full of wooden phallic symbols. Fishermen believe that by offering these, they will be blessed with fertility. There are so many adventurous activities in here, like rock climbing and hiking. If you have time and interest, you can try all these. But for me, I don't like it because it is overcrowded. But the best part is crystal clear water. You can see fishes also. Now we are heading towards Chicken Island. But there will not be any option to get down and explore. We can just take pictures. And there will be a snorkeling point. And the snorkeling gear will be provided by them. And this is Chicken Island. The rock look like chicken, so it is called as Chicken Island. We are here in Tub Island. I am just waiting to see this beauty. This is incredible. The best beach I have ever seen. I really don't know whether my camera is capturing this properly or not, or even I am explaining this properly, but this is awesome. This narrow sandway connects 3 islands over here. These tour operators will plan trip to this island according to the low tide timings. If it is low tide, we can walk on the sand bridges. No, I don't want to go back so soon. The final stop for today is Poda Beach. So we just had our lunch. Lunch is also included in the package. You have to come and experience this. Otherwise you will never know what I'm saying. No camera can capture this beauty. And for this tour, you will have two options. One is long tail boat and other one is speedboat. After the tour, they dropped at a hotel. We took bike for rent and heading towards Anong. Hope we reach before sunset. This road is awesome. I don't know, I'm loving this place. Yes, we made it before sunset. So let's find some place to enjoy. After that, we came here to Avnang Night Market. Actually, it's a very long day, but I cannot afford to miss any market. And the complete market is lit with these fairy lights. I kind of love this vibe. Again, I got struck at this roll ice cream stall. I don't know, I'm loving this cuisine, especially the pineapple fried rice, pad thai noodles, and the roll ice cream. I forgot the Nutella banana pancake. And I have ordered this mango and banana ice cream. I think this is more of a food market. So we are planning to have dinner here. And we have to go back to the hotel and relax. No, wait, Thai massage. This place is called Sukho Thai Massage. This is really good. If you're coming over here, please check this out. And these are the prices, but it is mentioned in Thai bahts. You just have to convert in Indian rupees. So I'll see you all tomorrow morning. Good morning, it's day 5. Now we are in Hot Springs Krabi, which is 1 hour drive from our stay. And we are waiting to relax in this place peacefully. So we started around 6 o'clock in the morning so that we can be the first ones. From the entrance, you just have to walk 10-15 minutes to reach the hot springs. Hope no one should reach before us so that we can find a better spot. Hey, we reached here finally. Again, I'll give all the details in the description box. These are hot springs. The water will be hot here, but the water down there will be cold. It feels like a natural jacuzzi. If you are planning to visit this place, come early because by the time we are leaving, it's already overcrowded. The same ticket, you can visit the Emerald Pool. And this is the map. For this, there will be 2 entries. One is around 1 kilometer, but there will not be a proper road. Another will be little longer than 1 kilometer, but it has a road. As we need to go back and check out, we are going in the natural path. So we are almost here. And that is Emerald Pool. I'm going to end this vlog here. After this, we are just going to check out the room and heading to Phi Phi. See you in next vlog. Bye. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.